US, UK and Germany indices started the week on a slight bullish note. We have seen now US 100 again coming towards 17,900 and Germany again trying to break beyond 18,000. What to expect today from the DAX, the FTSE, the Nasdaq and Dow? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day where we are going to share the targets and trading strategy in order to profit today. And the next update will be released before the US session for US indices. Watch that as well. Let's start. And yes, do like, share, subscribe and comment for and press the bell icon for notification, friends. Your every like, comment and share is a great motivation for me. Let's start. Also join the free Telegram channel for live updates and do join the channel memberships here on YouTube. If you look at the hourly charts or DAX, you can find a good consolidation, good support is seen at 17,900. Since then, it is delivering higher lows, and now it is just to break beyond 18,020 and 18,050 zone. If and only if DAX stays beyond 18,020, 18,050, you can say it is turning bullish, and we are looking forward to record highs again towards 18,100, 120 levels. Moving average is divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is also trading with slight divergence. RSI rising. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can see slight retracement and then the bullish resumption, and that is where it is important for it to break beyond 18,020, 18,050 zone in order to stay bullish. See, taking the support from 50 period, it has seen a rise, then again now taking the support from 20 period, it is looking upward, so a possibility of higher highs cannot be denied. Stochastic comfortable, MACD is bullish. RSI, if you look at it, is also rising. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, couple of retracement candles. First bullish candle, I'll wait for the second candle, which is going to be a breakout candle if it stays bullish from here. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge, crossover for the buys. RSI trying to stay bullish. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, one thing to note here is the bullishness is its own rise, retracement towards 20 period, retracement towards 20 period, retracement towards 20 and 50, retracement towards 50, again the retracement towards 20. So yes, certainly it is staying bullish and it is delivering higher highs here. Thus it appears that possibly if it breaks beyond 18,020, 18,050, 18,100, 120 is a must. Also, if you look at the 4-hour charts trying to retrace here, thus we have to just wait for it to break beyond 18,020, 50 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, and it does not mean that it cannot cross over for the rise. RSI is flat. Coming to this, yes, I will recommend you to buy DAX. If you see it is staying above 18,020, and then we can look forward to 18,050 levels to be breached. If 18,020, 50 zone is breached, you can say now DAX is turning bullish and we can look forward to 18,100 levels. While a selling entry I will recommend is only and only if you see 17,980, 940 zone, because below which you can say it may try to move towards 900, 880. And remember, on the daily chart, see, yes, it is staying bullish, yes, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, but it is also divergent from the 20 period, which is sitting at around 17,700. Look at the crossover here in MACD. So this is what is making me slight cautious with the buys here, but still there is bullishness. RSI is also staying overbought, so this is also couple of points on the daily charts which is making it overbought and confirming the slight retracement on the down. So a selling entry can be taken at 79, and if you are selling at 79.80, you have to be cautious as long as 79.40, 950 and 900, 880 levels are not taken. Only and only if DAX trades below this, you can say it is turning bearish. So in between 79.80 to 18,020, we have to be cautious, and largely between 17,940, 950 to 18,040, 50 for this 100 points, you have to be extremely cautious and watchful. Let's have a look at now FTSE. If you look at FTSE 100 on the hourly charts, clearly a support is formed at around 7720, 7750 zone, 15 zone, and yes, you can see lower highs are getting created. So it is very important now for FTSE 100 to break beyond either above 7750, 60 or below 7715, 7720 zone. So these 40-50 points are going to remain critical. And if you look at a stochastic, this is rising on the hourly charts. MACD is trading with slight bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to look at 2-hour charts, see, it is showing two rises, but it is again falling back within this zone. And then the next support zone here is very critical. So yes, lower highs and a flat bottom, it is trying to squeeze a breakout out of any of these two levels are going to be a good directional move and good directional levels here. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish. See, it is delivering waves, first wave, second wave. A crossover here can lead to a good rise. The charts, on the 3-hour charts, you can find out a support is formed here, greener candle retracement, and again trying to rise. So very important now for FTSE 100 to break beyond this zone and if it stays above 7760, 7765 zone. See, you can find out earlier also it was a good resistance, and again it is proving out to be a good resistance. So we have to watch out more with caution here at around 7750, 60 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit. RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Also on the 4-hour charts, one must note that whenever it forms a good base, it always delivers a good reversal as well. So yes, it is forming a good base. It has to either come out of this support zone, because only and only if it trades out of the support zone, you can say that it will try to take a direction. Also, if you look at the formation rise, it is with triple bottom, and since then a rise, it is trying to consolidate before it takes up a direction here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, while RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, FTSE 100 is the one which is trying to show a retracement here. In fact, as I said, if you see it is staying above 7750 levels, you can buy, but then 7765, 7780, these two levels, if it breaks, you can say it is turning bullish, else it is not to be treated bullish. Second thing is on the downside, if you are selling in fact at 7720, you can find out 7700, 7790, very good support exists here, and only if it breaks below 7640, you can say it is turning bearish. So yes, you can buy here at 7640 and sell at 7615. Do not trade for this 15 points. And if you're buying at 7640, or rather I'll say 7650 zone, you can expect a nearby resistance at 7660. So sorry, all the ranges are in 7700. So 7750 you can buy, but then expect 7765 as the first resistance zone, and then 7785, 80 zone as the next. Beyond that, we are looking forward to 7800 plus levels. On the downside, a selling entry at 7715 can be taken, but then 7700, 76, 80, 76, 50 are the three support levels it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Chances for such a sharp drop exist less today, thus take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. See, Nasdaq 100 continuing with the rise here after forming triple bottom here at the hourly charts. It is continuing to trade bullish candles. Yes, prices are also divergent from the 20 period. It has achieved this. The next target appears to be at around 7960, which is going to be the next resistance. Also, if you look at the movement in Tech 100, you can see it is always delivering lower highs, lower lows. It is outside this channel. It is now coming to the channel again, which is again up. The highs of this appears to be at around 18,000. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, you can look forward to the 2-hour charts to move towards a 17,930, 960 zone. Very good resistance, and in fact we can see it moving beyond 18,000 levels. Possibilities there. The stochastic is rising, MACD is trying to cross over for buy, RSI is rising. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, see reversal sign, first bullish candle, second bullish candle in making, and in fact a couple of more bullish candles cannot be denied, taking it towards the highs. I'll be looking forward to 7930, 960 and 18,000 levels as the targets. Now only reversal confirmation in Nasdaq 100 is if and only if it stays above 18,050 levels. You can say it is trying to reverse, and then a stronger rise can be expected. As long as it stays below 18,050, we should not be treating this as bullish. The stochastic rising, MACD is trying to convert crossover for the buys, RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, yes, a reversal sign, first bullish candle, second bullish candle can be expected. Thus appears we are looking forward to a slight rise, and certainly 930, 960 at least I think it should achieve, and then beyond that 18,000, 18,050 levels, 18,020, 18,050 levels might be seen, but these are going to remain great resistances. Stochastic rising here, MACD is trying to convert. Similar observation here on the all the time frames, and most importantly on the daily charts, after forming three bearish candles and a reversal sign, it is trying to retrace, and we can look forward to a rise towards this zone, which is above 18,000. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 17,930, expect 17,960, 18,000, 18,020 as the first targets, and then beyond that 18,050. If it trades above 18,050, consider this for a reversal, and a stronger rise can be expected. Chances for which appears to be less today. On the downside, a selling entry I will is at 17,820 only, and only if you see Nasdaq 100 trading below 17,820, I will recommend you to sell. As long as 17,820 is respected, do not initiate a selling position. And below 17,820, we can look forward to 17,770, 17,740, 17,700. Breaking below 17,700, you will get another 100 points towards 17,600 and below. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. US30 after trading with divergence from the 20 period, trying to approach the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Band, sitting at around 38,770, 38,800 zone. So this is an achievable level, and if it stays above 38,800, I will be looking forward for it to move towards, see, 38,800, 850, and 38,900. These are going to remain stronger resistance zone for the move on the upside for Dow Jones. But if you look at the movement, if you look at the movement on the hourly charts, you can find out these are good supports, then the higher highs, then hitting the bottom. And if it breaks beyond 38,900, we can say another good bullish move cannot be denied. Stochastic overbought. MACD here had crossed over at the bottom, trying to rise. RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation is seen here on the 2-hour charts. A reversal sign, third bullish candle. Let it stay above 38,770, 780 zone. You can buy here, then expect 840, 850, and in fact 900 levels. Then if at any point of time, if the US30 stays above 39,000 levels, do not think of selling it. You can stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is rising as well. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, second green candle in making. Possibly we can see a couple or more bullish candles from here taking on the upside. The moving averages are crossing over here. This is a bearish sign here. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is rising. Also on the 4-hour chart, second green candle is making. Same formation is what we can see. Stochastic is rising here as well. MACD is bearish here as well, trying to converge a bit. Now looking at the daily charts, on the daily charts, very clear. See, it is showing a slight step. It can continue to rise to, which appears 38,800, 850, and 900. These are the three greater resistances on the upside, and they are achievable levels as well. Any move above 38,900 should take it towards 39,000 levels, and beyond 39,000 is where you can say now US30 is turning bullish. At the same time, on the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is a little far below here at 38,700. So it appears that in between 38,700 and 770, we should not take a trade for this 70 points. Below 38,700, you can look forward to 38,600, which is going to be a very good support. Any drop below 38,600 will call the bears towards 38,400. If not today, some point of time to. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, you can find the recommended broker link. And yes, do not miss to join the 30th mentorship batch starting soon. You can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for details related to the services. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.